Before we get started, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. It would be greatly appreciated. Thank you. This is about a half a pound of ground beef, maybe a little more. I've already cooked it, scrambled it, as I call it, broke it up, and I'm about to drain it. This is what I'm making. And I haven't made this since my kids were young. I'm adding in the pasta. Stir that around a little bit. Gonna add in the package of dried cheese. Stir that around a little bit. And I'm gonna add some butter. I'm adding, my own ingredients as well as the ingredients in the package, okay? Gotta make it taste like you want it to taste. You already know that. And I'm gonna add some bold and beefy seasoning, which is delicious. I think I told you that before in another video. If I haven't, you should give it a try. It's delicious. I'm gonna get that going. I have the stove on 3, and I stirred it until I melted the butter in. Okay. Now here I have 1 cup of water and 2 cups of. I'm using half, and I'm gonna add it in some at a time. So I may or may not want to use it all. Let's see. I'm gonna turn this eye up. That just seems like so much. I think I'm gonna stop right there. Get that a mess too. I'm gonna stir that. And we're going to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to turn it down so we can simmer and cover it, okay? I tasted it. It tastes good, but I like for it to taste a little more beefy. So I'm going to add some beef bouillon, and not too much. You know how I am about the salt. Don't want to add too much. We want to keep it as healthy as possible. Okay? Let me taste it here. It's pretty tasty. Okay, like I said, I'm going to let this start to boil. And that's what it's starting to do. I'm going to add the rest of this milk because it's starting to thicken up. Stir it. It's starting to boil. So I'm going to turn it down low. We're going to let it simmer for about 8 minutes. Okay? Okie doke. It's got nice and thick. Okay? And it's been 5 minutes. I have some frozen broccoli that I kind of chopped up. I'm going to add in here. And the heat, from the macaroni and hamburgers is going to cook the broccoli. Yum and yum. I'm going to cover it up. I need a little pepper in here. What do you think? I think so. I like pepper. Just a bit. And it's still on low. So I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 2 or 3 more minutes. That's on a very low setting because one thing I do remember about the pasta, if you cook it too long, it's going to be gummy. You don't want that. But anyway, for those that like it cheesier, see, I buy these packets just in case. You might need it for this, that, or the other. We're going to add some more cheese. Gonna mix that. Gonna fix us a plate, okay? There it is right there. I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 more minutes though so it can thicken up again. Get a little thicker. Yeah, and we're gonna fix a plate.